Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, if you need a last minute Christmas gift or just another tasty treat for Christmas, this is a good recipe to try. It's actually very healthy as well because the main ingredient is almonds. And almonds are pretty much a superfood because they are impressively high in nutrients, very high in essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, also high in fiber, healthy fats, protein, and an added bonus, they are very low in carbohydrate, which is good for people with diabetes like me. So this is actually a great recipe you could serve to anyone at Christmas because it's basically, as I said, almonds with a little bit of maple syrup and a little bit of almond extract. It's also really low in sugar as well. It's also an easy recipe too. So I'm actually making this one for my mum because I'll be seeing her at Christmas and she loves marzipan. So rather than buy marzipan, which obviously you could buy it, but it's a lot higher in sugar if you buy it. So you might be surprised how easy it is to make your own. So we'll start with a cup of almonds. Also, something else I'll just mention is, as you can see, I'm using almonds with the skins on. And a main reason for using this is most of the antioxidants are just in underneath that brown skin layer. So it's best to use these kind of almonds, natural almonds. Don't use the blanched almonds because they have had their skins removed, so have obviously lost some of their nutritional value. So best to use these almonds. I'm going to blend them until they're fairly fine. So the almonds are quite fine. It doesn't matter if there's a few lumps in there, or just add texture. So I'm just going to put that into a bowl. So now we're just going to add it some maple syrup for a little sweetness, and I'm only using a tablespoon, which I think is all you really need in this. And for that real shop bought marzipan flavour, we're just going to add a teaspoon of natural almond extract. This is what really makes it taste like the marzipan that you buy in the shop. So just a teaspoon. So it's going to become like a paste. Like this, crumbly. Then you just need to use your hand and squeeze it together. So it will form like a paste-like dough. Just keep squeezing and kneading it until see how it's becoming a sort of a dough. And it's also working all that flavour into the nuts. That should be okay now. Just take this small amount and just make it into a ball. About that size is good. So you should probably get about 10 out of this mixture. Well, we've got about 10 out of that. So I just put them in the freezer and just chill them a little while you get the chocolate topping ready. Coating the truffles in melted chocolate. So just use vegan dark chocolate. Make sure it's at least 70% cocoa so we don't have too much sugar in it. And just melt it over a pan of simmering water. Just to finish off the decoration, we're going to use some shaved chocolate. So just use a vegetable peeler and just simply shave the chocolate. So we have a bowl of chocolate shavings. If you want to give it a flavour boost, then you can use some citrus peel dust. I do have a recipe for this on YouTube if you want to check it out. It's very easy to make. And if you mix it with the chocolate, it just gives that little extra citrus hit. which actually goes really well with the dark chocolate and the marzipan truffle. So that's an idea if you just want to boost the flavour a little bit more, make it a bit more interesting. So I just put in, this is probably about a teaspoon or so, and just mix it into the chocolate. So those are firmed up a little. I mean, you don't have to have them in the freezer long because they're fairly firm anyway. So we're just going to dip them in the melted chocolate, then roll them in the chocolate shavings. Okay, so just coat that in the chocolate like that, and then just drop it into there and just coat it with the shavings. Then put it on some baking paper just to set. Those are all coated now, so just put them in the freezer till they set, and then you can either store them in the freezer or store them in the fridge until you're ready to eat these. Gonna say Happy Christmas? Here's Jador, and she wants to wish everyone a happy Christmas. Yeah, happy Christmas to everyone. So here are the delicious marzipan truffles. So if you want to end the year on a sweet yet very healthy note, give this a try. And happy Christmas, healthy way. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.